Tired of dealing with burned paint, swirl marks, and endless reworking with a rotary polisher? Say goodbye to those headaches with a simple solution. Start the process by removing any dust nibs and imperfections in the paint with your favorite denibbing technique. Today we're going to use the RUPES LD30 sander with P1500 grit sandpaper. If there is any orange peel or excessive texture on the panel, use a 1500 or 2000 grit film disc with an interface pad on a DA sander to flatten the finish to the desired level. To reduce the impact of polishing on the paint, it's important to refine the finish to at least 3000 grit. Using a RUPES interface pad and X-Cut foam disc, we are going to damp sand. You will only need a light mist of water. It is important to hold the sander flat to the surface and make sure that the backing plate is rotating slowly. Continue to sand until all of the previous sand marks are removed. Short cycling the sanding process requires more aggressive polishing later on. At this point, the sand mark is very refined and ready to buff. With our 21mm Bigfoot random orbital polisher, we'll only use our DA yellow wool pad and our DA fine yellow polish. Several more aggressive options exist in the RUPES Bigfoot polishing lineup, but they're often not needed. Once primed, 2 to 4 pea-sized drops of compound is all that's needed for an area as big as 6 times the pad's diameter. Keeping the pad flat to the surface, move the polisher over the section 3 times in about 45 seconds. Done. No swirl marks, fast and easy. If you have a slight haze on dark colors, like black, a quick second step with either our yellow foam pad and DA fine polish or our white foam pad with Uno Pure Ultra Fine Polish will do the trick. So if you're ready to achieve better results in less time, contact your local authorized RUPES distributor or visit rupesusa.com for more information. Since 1947, RUPES has been perfecting the dual action sanders. Our Scorpio line continues this legacy with hand-built sanders that are internally balanced for smooth operation and awesome durability. Available in 3 different orbit sizes and 3 different configurations, each offers unique benefits. The 3mm orbit is precise and ideal for complex shapes or when sanding near an edge. The 9mm Scorpio trades that precision for rapid material removal, making it the ideal sander when body panel reshaping, body filler sanding, or when removing fine grits in an efficient manner. The 6mm strikes a balance between sanding power and control and is the best sander to use if you are only looking to get one. In addition to the variety of orbit sizes in the Scorpio line, each Scorpio dual action sander is available in non-vac, assisted vac, or self-generated vacuum models. The assisted vacuum model keeps surfaces clean and improves abrasive life by up to 40% by attaching an external vacuum to the port. Self-generated versions are perfect for situations where an external vacuum isn't feasible, such as industrial applications, woodworking, and even in the house paint trade. Use the non-vacuum Scorpios in any situation where dust control doesn't offer too much of a benefit, such as fine grit or damp sanding. For optimal performance, use a RUPES interface pad and sand in smooth, overlapping passes. Adjust throttle input and airflow to ensure slow and consistent pad rotation for the best results. With RUPES Scorpio sanders, get the job done efficiently and effectively with the highest quality hand-built dual-action sanders on the market. In the fast-paced world of automotive repair, efficiency and quality are paramount. More and more body shops are turning to RUPES Bigfoot random orbital polishers for several reasons. Number 1, no swirl marks. Unlike traditional rotary polishers, random orbital polishers move on 2 different axes, creating a random scratch pattern which eliminates the cause of swirl marks and leaves a flawless finish behind. Number 2, reduced risk of burning the paint. Orbital polishers rely more on surface area and less on pad velocity. Reducing the risk of burning means less time getting resprayed in the boot. Number 3, fewer steps and less time. Since we no longer need additional steps to remove or hide swirl marks, we can do the job in less steps and be more efficient. Number 4, reduced risk of dieback. We've all been there. Hours or days after polishing away sand marks and defects, they seem to magically reappear. The number 1 cause of this phenomenon is frictional heat from traditional polishing methods. Bigfoot random orbital polishers create less heat on the paint surface helping to reduce the risk of this occurring. Number 5, eliminates rework. RUPES Bigfoot polishers eliminate the cause of swirl marks at their roots. Additionally, RUPES compounds and polishes don't use fillers that wash away and reveal a scratched and damaged surface. Because of this, additional polishing steps are no longer needed. And finally, number 6, user-friendliness. The 2 biggest hurdles to learning to polish are avoiding burns and preventing swirl marks. Now, even novice technicians can turn out professional results with little fear and minimal training. So if you're looking to streamline your workflow and deliver top-notch results every time, add a RUPES Bigfoot random orbital polishing system to your arsenal.